Let's take a quick look at portfolios, your one-stop view for project progress, budgets, and key updates. Just expand a portfolio to see all the projects, files, and work tied to it. There are two kinds of portfolios: user-populated and auto-populated. The system will add or remove projects automatically based on the condition set for automated portfolios. To make an auto-populated portfolio, head to Search, set your filters, then hit Save as Portfolio. Give it a name and you're all set. Want more control? Create a user-populated portfolio. Just click Create New, pick Portfolio. Name it, and choose your projects. By default, your portfolio is private. You can make it visible to everyone here. Once shared, both Workspace and project managers can edit them as well. And if you want to stay in the loop, hit the star icon to subscribe and get updates by email. That's it. Your portfolio's all set to keep your projects on track.